Welcome. In this video, will Zbcn coin price climb further? We will analyze this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and please watch to the end to understand. One of the most notable structural developments observed on the chart is that the price has broken above a key resistance level. This resistance zone had previously been an area where the price struggled to move higher and where sellers typically stepped in to push the price back down. However, it is now evident that the pressure on this zone has been overcome and the price has broken through it with strong momentum. Such a move suggests that the market no longer perceives this level as a barrier and that buyers are becoming more active. The fact that the price has surpassed this significant high, even if only momentarily, should be seen as a very positive development for investors. These types of resistance breakouts often provide strong signals about the future direction of the price. When accompanied by increased volume, such breakouts indicate growing buying pressure and stronger bullish sentiment among investors. In the current scenario, after breaking this critical resistance level, the price may experience a slight pullback, a healthy corrective move known in technical analysis as a retest. A retest involves the price revisiting the former resistance, now acting as a support, and a successful bounce from this area often signals the continuation of the upward move. These types of retests are among the most important building blocks of a healthy uptrend. Before continuing its upward journey, the price confirms the validity of the breakout by forming a new base at the previously broken resistance. This aligns with the resistance turns into support principle and provides a reassuring signal for the continuation of the bullish trend. It also shows that the market is digesting the previous move and preparing for the next rally. If the retest is successful, meaning the price returns to the broken level and finds strong support there, it becomes highly likely that new waves of buying will follow. This sets the stage for the price to reach new and higher levels. The current technical structure observed here points to significant potential. Breaking the previous high suggests a trend reversal and the formation of upward momentum in the market. The subsequent retest offers a second entry opportunity for investors. In this scenario, the price first breaks the resistance level, then returns to it, finds support, and moves toward new highs. This setup is considered a foundational pattern in many successful technical analysis strategies. At this point, the conviction with which the price has broken the resistance is also important. Resistance levels are typically strong barriers that are not easily surpassed and often require multiple tests. However, if the price has clearly broken through the level and only experiences a brief pause or pullback afterward, it indicates that buyers are strong and determined to steer the market. Such conviction often results in the price climbing to higher levels. A strong breakout above a key resistance level also contributes to growing investor confidence. This kind of breakout can motivate previously hesitant or sidelined investors to enter the market. As a result, fresh liquidity flows in and supports the continued upward movement in price. Additionally, breakouts like this are often monitored by large technical traders and algorithms, which can trigger automated buy orders. But we can't make decisions based on resistance alone. Let's look at other metrics too. Stay tuned. One of the notable technical formations on the chart is a small-scale cup pattern. This formation represents an upward breakout following a period of consolidation in the market and is generally interpreted as a signal of a potential strong upward move. These types of patterns, especially when they occur at a local level, can act as building blocks for larger trend movements and should be monitored closely. This cup pattern forms when the price experiences a decline and then stabilizes at a certain low point, followed by a gradual rise back toward the same levels. The resulting rounded bottom signals a significant shift in investor psychology. Initially, sellers dominate the market, but over time, selling pressure diminishes and buyers begin to regain strength, leading to price stabilization. As market confidence grows and demand increases, the price rises toward the same levels seen on the left side of the cup, forming the right side. This is viewed as a sign of a possible trend reversal. In the current situation, the small cup pattern observed on the chart appears to be complete. The price has reached the starting point of the cup and is even attempting to break above that level. This technical setup indicates a tendency for the market to move in a positive direction. Cup formations typically suggest the creation of a strong bottom structure in the market and imply that there may be significant upward movement potential in the near term. One important detail here is that the size of this cup formation is small. Small patterns often precede shorter-term but fast and effective price movements. These setups usually reflect swift investor reactions and can lead to sharp increases driven by rapid buy-sell decisions. However, the potential for such a rise is generally limited to the depth of the cup itself. According to widely accepted technical analysis principles, the target for a cup pattern is measured by taking the vertical distance between the bottom and the starting point of the cup and projecting that distance upward from the breakout level. Currently, the price is trading in the region where the formation has completed and is beginning to exert upward pressure. This indicates that potential target levels are now in play and that the price is moving in line with this expectation. If sufficient volume accompanies the breakout area of the pattern, reaching these targets becomes highly likely. Volume is one of the most important factors in confirming breakouts and provides a strong signal for the sustainability of the move. Additionally, cup formations are considered highly reliable in technical analysis. When the price returns to previous levels and tests the same high point again in an attempt to break through, it indicates strong demand in the market. This demand often results in the price breaking these previous resistance levels and aiming for new highs. The current technical outlook remains consistent with this scenario. Furthermore, the small size of the pattern suggests that the target could be reached in a shorter time frame. This offers investors the opportunity to achieve quicker results and manage their positions more dynamically. One point to watch is whether the price experiences a pullback after breaking out of the formation. If a small pullback occurs and returns to the breakout area of the cup pattern, this zone may be viewed as a retest area. New buying interest from this level could trigger the continuation of the upward move. Technical analysis on the RSI indicator reveals that there is currently a very noticeable resistance zone. The RSI has approached this particular level many times in the past, but each time it has failed to break through it and turned down. This makes sense from a technical analysis point of view, because this horizontal resistance line on the RSI represents a strong psychological edge in the market. Now, however, the overall market outlook suggests that the potential for the RSI to break through this critical level is quite high as the price gains momentum and buying pressure increases. The multiple contacts that the RSI has made to this level in the past reinforces the importance of this level. In technical analysis, the more times a resistance is tested, the more likely it is to be broken. When the RSI repeatedly reaches the same level, it actually indicates that buying power is making repeated attempts to break through this boundary. This is an indication that buyers are gaining more and more strength. Each test reduces the selling pressure a little more and signals that buying momentum is gradually accumulating. Therefore, the RSI breaking through this resistance level is not only a technical achievement, but also the crossing of a psychological threshold. RSI indicator can sometimes foreshadow the price. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, more videos will be coming. Be careful in your investments, analyze the risks correctly, and always take strategic steps. I will be with you with different analyses, investment opportunities, and technical information in my videos. I wish you all a lot of profit. See you soon.